बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला मुहम्मद रसूलुल्लाहि करीम। ये प्रॉब्लम डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस के पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन से है। फाइंड डेल यू ओवर डेल आर एंड डेल यू ओवर डेल थीटा इफ़ यू इज़ इक्वल टू e to the power r cos theta multiplied by cos of r into sin theta. Here u is function of r and theta both. First of all we have to find del u over del r, means partially differentiation of u with respect to r, and I write del over del r, and value of u is given here, so I write the value of u r e to the power r cos theta multiplied by cos of r sin of theta. We consider here two functions. E to the power r sin theta is first function and cos of r sin theta is second function. Because both are function of r, here this is function of r and also this is function of r, because r is present in this factor. So we consider two function, multiplication of two differentiation of multiplication of two function is first function as a differentiation of second function plus second function as a differentiation of first function. So apply this formula, we get first function as e to the power r cos theta, differentiation of second function cos of r sin theta. First function as it differentiation second plus second function as it cos of r sin theta and differentiation of first function e to the power r cos theta with respect to r in both cases, which is value of del u over del r. E to the power r cos theta multiplied by here we have to differentiate cos theta, which is equal to minus sin theta. Theta means here r into sin theta. What did this is not this is not r, this is r sin theta, so we have to differentiate r with respect to r by rule of 10, by 10 rule, plus write cos r sin theta, and after it we have to differentiate e to the power r which is equal to e to the power r. What here we see that this is not r, this is a function of r, so we have to differentiate partially with respect to r, which we consider it r. So we should differentiate r into cos theta. We know that differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x is equal to e to the power x, and also differentiation of cos theta equal to minus sin theta, which I have used here and here. We take minus in front, e to the power r cos theta into sin of r sin theta. Here sin theta is constant for r because it is partial differentiation with respect to r, so we take out sin theta from differential sign only we have to differentiate r. Sin theta is take out from here, plus cos of r sin theta into e to the power r cos theta. Now differentiate, we have to differentiate this function, which is we should take cos theta as a constant from d over dr, because cos theta is constant with respect to r, because it is partial differentiation, so we have to only differentiate r. The next step, we write minus e to the power r cos theta into sine of r sin theta into differentiation of r with respect to r equal to 1, plus cos of r sin theta into e to the power r cos theta into cos theta, differentiation of r with respect to r is equal to 1. We can take e to the power r cos theta common outside the bracket. We can write it as r cos theta. We get now minus sine of r sin theta into sin theta, or leave it at as, or solve as. We get cos of r sin theta into cos theta. We can also write this value as, this is equal to del u over del r equal to e to the power r cos theta. I write this term first, which is plus sign cos of r sin theta into cos theta, and write negative term now, sine of r sin theta into sin theta. Consider this value as a and theta as b. We apply this formula, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. We know that this is equal to cos a plus b. We can apply this formula for this bracket. So we get del u over del r is equal to e to the power r cos theta in compressed form, cos of a plus b. Here a equal to r sin theta and b equal to theta. This is value of del u over del r. Now we have to find second value, del u over del theta. Del u over del theta. We should put the value of u, which is given e to the power r cos theta into multiply to e cos of r sin theta. Since this function is function of r and theta, also this function, so we consider it is a first function and this is second function. Cos is second function. Cos is function of r sin theta, and e is function of r cos theta. We apply this formula again, multiplication of two function, differentiation of multiplication of two function, first function as a differentiation of second, plus second function as a differentiation of first function. We apply this formula, we get del u over del theta. First function as it, differentiation of second function with respect to theta, r sin theta, r sin theta. plus second function as it, write as it, and differentiation of first, which is e to the power r cos theta. Del u over del theta is equal to e to the power r cos theta into differentiate cos theta. We consider this value which is written in a bracket is theta. We know that differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, so we consider it as x. So value of this differentiation is minus sin x. X means r sin theta, which is written here. But this is not x, means theta, so we have to differentiate it with respect to theta partially by chain rule. This is differentiation of this value. Now we go to next term, cos of r sin theta. We know that differentiation of e to the power theta is equal to e to the power theta, so we write e to the power this value, which consider we consider it theta, but it is not a theta, so we have to differentiate it with respect to theta, r cos theta, differentiation of r cos theta with respect to theta. E to the power r cos theta minus sine r sin theta. I write without any change from here to here. But now differentiation of this value with respect to partially differentiation theta, so here r is constant, so we take out from differential coefficient, so we write del over del theta into sin theta plus cos of r sin theta into e to the power r cos theta. In the same way, r is constant, so we take out r and only differentiate cos theta with respect to theta. We are solving for del u over del theta. We can write minus in starting e to the power r cos theta into sine of r sin theta into r. Differentiation of sin theta is equal to cos theta plus cos of r sin theta into e to the power r cos theta into r, and differentiation of cos theta equal to minus sin theta. Minus here in both term common, so we take a minus take out from bracket. Also e to the power r cos theta present in both the terms, and also r. All three is common, so we take out from this bracket. We now left to right here sine of r sin theta into cos theta plus, because minus sign is taken out from bracket, so this value equal to minus 10 to plus remaining value of cos of r sin theta multiplied to sin theta, multiplied it by sin theta. We can apply here this formula. We consider this is a and b, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. We know that this is formula for a plus b, so we apply this formula, and in this bracket we get the value of del u over del phi in simplified form, minus e to the power r cos theta into r into sine of a for r sin theta, b for theta. So these two values, this value and this value, which we have to fine. Thank you very much indeed for listening me. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.